Class, this is the first sum. Information is given for the 2 years 2010 2011, and this is a balance sheet of a company. Clear? We have to calculate all this which is given in your question. Forget about the solvency ratio, please strike off it, because under that heading we have so many to calculate. So forget, in the final exam also they won't be giving like that, so don't worry. So first, liquidity ratio, in another word it is liquid ratio. Liquid ratio formula is liquid assets divided by liquid liabilities. The items which comes under this is already given in your photocopy. So as per this question, liquid assets you have is debtor and cash. Liquid liability is bills payable and creditor. So actually liquid asset is a current asset which does not include stock and prepaid expenses. Liquid liability is actually a current liability which doesn't include bank overdraft. ಸೊ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತೆಗಿಬೇಡಿ, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ತೆಗೀರಿ. ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೀಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ that in the formula. I didn't calculate the values, you have to calculate using a calculator and do it. Clear? This and this. This is for the year 2010. Now calculate liquid ratio for 2011. So totally here you have 7 formulas. So you have to calculate each ratios for 2 years. 2010 ಗೆ separate, 2011 is separate. Simultaneously ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು not a problem, but how you feel comfortable, go with that method. Okay, formula same, item same for 2011 also, but the value changes and you have to get the values. Okay, second you have to calculate is current ratio. Current ratio formula is current assets divided by current liability. Here you have stock, debtor, cash divided by creditors, bills payable. Clear? Attention to amount, but no worries. Calculate. This is for the 2010. Again calculate current ratio for 2011. Formula same, item same, value change. Here also answer will be different. So you got now 4 values for 2010. Liquid ratio, current ratio. For 2011 again liquid ratio, current ratio. Now third, debt equity ratio. Debt equity ratio formula is debt divided by equity. Debt means it is like a debenture or long term borrowings, divided by equity means the owner's property, whatever is related to owners, give it. Capital plus reserve and surplus ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ್ದು ಐಟಮ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೋದು, ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು ಅಂತ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ 3 pages ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ಸೊ ರೀಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಅಂಡರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್, ಡೆಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಉಂಟು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 lakh divided by 1,67,250. This is for your 2010. So find out for 2011. Formula same, item same, but value is different. So calculate the value and write here. Fourth, fixed asset turnover ratio. Solvency ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. Turnover means sales. Sales divided by fixed asset. Sales balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 2010 ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 11 ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಓಪನ್ ಯೋರ್ eyes and see it properly and then start doing it, because in this is a chapter where you can easily score marks if you remember the formulas. So 1,80,000 divided by 2,17,200, that is for your 2010. And for 2011, formula same, item same, value change, answer change. Find out. Everywhere I have provided box ನನಗೆ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು, ಅದು ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ everybody. Capital turnover ratio. Turnover ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ divided by capital. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ your 2010. ಮತ್ತು ಇದು 1 lakh, ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ 2011. but amount changes, value change. Next, proprietary ratio bantu. Shareholder fund, total asset. Total asset means it includes all type of assets which you can find in your asset side. Fund alli ade shareholder ge related adadella items bartade. So these are the things, and this is a formula. Formula is already given, please refer it once again. If you can't understand my handwriting, let me know, please make it clear. ಆಮೇಲೆ amount you have to calculate. This is for 2010. 11th ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Last, working capital turnover ratio. Turnover under sales divided by working capital. 1,80,000 sales 2010 idu. Current assets minus current liability. Current assets in my second formula you have already calculated, if you remember. Current assets ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So numerator minus denominator help ಆಗ್ತದೆ to solve your last sum. This one, this 82,800 numerator the formula, numerator the value, this is denominator value. So this is how you can get 2011 ಗೆ same step, same item, but value differs, amount differs. So that is the end of your first sum. Okay, any confusion, anything, let me know, and write this in your notes. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ, ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೇಳಿ.